Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing this condenser microphone VM30. Let's go ahead and show you what you get. So right away we see instruction manual. Very long Type-C, double-ended Type-C power cable. And this is the microphone. Wow. So it's all compact. That is really nice. That is really nice. So compact with the tripod, compact with the microphone. You can mute it by pressing this button. Underneath you have plus and minus for the volume. You have headphone jack and also the power cable. And it can be fully adjusted. This is really nice. Look how simple this is to put away, if you're going to put it away. Look at that. Very nice for on the go. So this is what it looks like up close. Overall, really nice. I like this, guys. And of course, this just simply clamps on right here. And right here, just like that. All right, let's actually test out the sound quality. So I'm gonna play, this is for you guys to look and see if you like the style. Honestly, my first thoughts are it is very nice and stylish. It's very nice that it's compact and everything's all in one. I'm gonna play audio from this microphone and let you guys decide if you like the audio or not. So I'm going to play the audio. You guys decide if you like how crisp it sounds or bad. Whatever the audio comes out is what you guys are about to hear. Okay, we have it connected. So we are now testing out the audio of the microphone. This is when I'm talking at my normal voice from a little distance from the microphone. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. It's good to have you here. So I'm going to change the tone of my voice in different positions so you guys can get an idea of how crisp it is. Fa, fa, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now you guys got an idea of how the audio sounds.